Okay. Nampak saya punya screen tak sekarang? You guys can see my screen?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, you guys can see my screen, right? I need respond because I cannot hear anything. I cannot see anything here. I have to open like this only that I can see your text or anything. Just open the mic and see. Okay.
Boleh nampak.
Yes. Apa tu?
Boleh nampak.
Boleh nampak. Okay, cool. Alright, so guys, macam biasa, like normal, I akan guna bahasa Melayu dengan English, I akan mix, sebab ada dua-dua language yang kena guna, iaitu English and bahasa. I'm going to use English and bahasa, both language. Okay, so like usually I'm going to do refreshment class to see what is going on, what's your weakness, or I mean like what is your lack in trading. So can please someone tell me what is the main problem right now you guys are facing in the live chart? Anyone? Tell me what is it? What is your guys' problem to face whenever you guys want to do to find a setup, to find a live sessions, to trade on live session? What is your problem? One is echoing here. Because why? I ask because I want you guys to echo pula dah. It's not me. That has been echoing. I'm just using iPad. Bukan saya yang ikut-ikut tu. Siapa tadi? Tolong tutup mic. Okay, guys. Kalau tak ada siapa yang nak tanya soalan, saya akan explain. If ada siapa nak mencelah tanya soalan, just open the mic, ask me. Okay? I'm going to explain. Okay, so for now, who's using Go to trade right now? Who's still using Go? Because Go is, you guys know, it's really volatile. It's really, really, really hard to find a cut loss. Not to find a cut loss, to cut loss because the zone is too big, even though on M15 or M5 also, it's really, really big zone. Who's facing the problem with Go? No one responded.
I've been staying away from gold because of that, Mel.
Yes, you've been staying with Go because of that, right? Understand.
Staying away from it, yeah.
Staying away from it. Yeah, that's why, because like from the latest personal coaching student, I do advise say that if you guys don't feel confident with Go, you can try another pairs, because we have a lot of choice of pairs that can earn money. Who is that? I have a lot of choice and a lot of pairs that I will recommend for you guys to try instead of Gold, because I know some people cannot adapt with Gold, but some people are okay with Gold. It's actually normal. So if you ask me, what's the best pair for you to find instead of Gold? Is actually you can try AUD/USD. AUD/USD also work the same. The structure were the best one because of why the structure is really, really clear. Okay, UJ, USD/JPY, GBP/USD, EJ, and GJ. This is one of the not I mean it's like top five my favorite pairs, because I would say so because of why, it's because the structure is quite clear. So yeah, I like it. For the AUD/USD, you see, all the structures, like we keep repeating the same things, like the structure is more clear for you to understand more better. Sometimes if you open on gold, I know it's really big, sometimes it's ranging a lot, and sometimes the zone is really side by side, near zone, so you guys have a problem to identify which zone should you buy, which zone should you sell. Means like the focusing on gold. Okay, so basically, like usual, I know every time I do a refreshment class, I know I will say the same thing, because it's we definitely did the same thing every single day. Who agree with me? We did the same thing every single day. Can someone answer me? Yes or no? Did I say it right or not?
Yes, every day.
Yeah.
Yes. Every single day. We did the same thing. Again and again and again. Doesn't matter how many times. Okay? Doesn't matter how many times, it will definitely show you the same things. So if you say that I'm still struggling to precise, I'm still struggling to find a zoning, okay, first thing first, I'm gonna explain about the precise part, or after that I'm gonna explain about the finding the zone, okay, or you guys want me to explain about the finding the direction storyline first? Same like usual, a direction storyline, because usually I know people will come and ask me, Mel, I have a problem to identify the zone because it's too big. I have a problem to identify the zone because it's nearest, and then it's a line, not the line, it's like really side by side with each other, so I cannot understand which zone should I take. Okay, the problem happen like this if you straight away open H4. I know I repeat this one many times. We did the same things, but if in case someone don't realize this thing, is actually you guys keep repeating the same mistake. What I mean by that is you guys don't want to check on high time frame. You keep on checking on the lower time frame again and again and again. No, lower time frame won't give you anything. Lower time frame won't give you anything. Okay, lower time frame only give you a confirmation for your entry. What I mean by that is what lower time frame doesn't give you anything. Is actually the direction is on high time frame. Everything's on high time frame. See, everything's on high time frame. The reason started from here, price keep making uptrend movement, but unable to break through because of why? The reason is simple. Look to the left. This is on a weekly. AUD USD weekly. Look to the left. To the left, got another engulfing cell, and we have another to the nearest left. Usually, price will definitely respond to the nearest left, So that's why I always making a drawing that the left and right eyes is really side by side like this one. So the smiley face, it's everything. Smiley face, the inverted smile face, everything. So if the setup is not side by side, it's not good. It's not nice. Trust me, it's not going to go really far away. So like this kind of situation, okay, dalam case macam ni, you guys can see that there's engulfing field and also there's also engulfing cell. So now, the first thing, I'm gonna make today refreshment. I'm gonna make it simple. But I mean by make it simple, we just gonna did everything every day the same thing. Someone please turn off the mic first. If you guys want to talk, you can open the mic and talk. Okay. So we're gonna do this one every day. What I mean by every day is first thing first, open on weekly. If this is your first time to open on AUD USD or any other price, check on weekly first, weekly or monthly first at least. And then if you have already opened this chart every day, you don't need to go until weekly. Just check on daily H4 is enough already. Okay, so like this kind of situation, if you have no idea the origin of the price, usually I know people tend to skip all the time frame, monthly and weekly, and straight away go to the H4. If you skip the monthly and weekly, you straight away go to the H4, it will definitely making you a big mess. But I mean by big mess is actually, you can see here, I give you one example. Okay, sometimes when you have a good entries, okay, you have no idea how or when you want to exit your trade. You have no idea, or you have no idea that your setup is retracement or continuations. That's questions. Oh, is my setup is the continuations or only retracement? That's always the main point. People gonna ask the same question. For example, I'm gonna change a bit the color. If you straight away jump to H4, without checking on weekly, without checking on monthly, you have no idea what's going on. Okay, you have no idea what's going on. You straight away go to the H4 like that. Okay, and just and after that, let me marking something. Okay, this one. You straight away go to the H4 without double check on high time frame. But I mean without double check on high time frame is you straight away go to the H4. You find a setup without understanding what's going on. What is exactly setup that you enter at that time or at that moment. That's the point. Okay, now if you open on a weekly, you can see that price started to play around or make a reaction toward this engulfing field setup and also engulfing cell setup. Okay, so that's why there's some rejection here. Candlestick do and keep on giving you rejection candle here. Because of why? It's respecting this engulfing cell and this engulfing field cell. And the reason is, one more thing that I always emphasize inside our class or our trading, usually if price pull back with a shadow like this one, usually there's gonna have a EF nearest with the setup. EF love to pull back with a shadow like this one. Shadow pullback, compared to engulf setup. So that's the reason why, even though you saw this one is engulfing, engulf to engulf, but the pullback is only with a shadow. It's because of why? It's because of this engulfing field. That's why it happened like this one. Okay. So sometimes I do receive a lot of questions. Mel, why some pullback with a body candlestick, but some pullback only with a shadow? This is the reason. EF love to give you pullback with a shadow. It won't let you. Sometimes you're gonna say that, Mel, I'm gonna wait for the pullback. Let's say I give you a setup on H4. Let's say you found this structure on H4 daily. Someone will say, Mel, I'm gonna wait for the price to pull back with the body, proper body candlestick. Only that I'm gonna find an entry. Okay, only that I'm gonna execute the entry. Sometimes price gonna give you, sometimes price not gonna give you. For example, at this one, shadow, boom, go down. But then why price unable to melt down? The reason is simple. The reason is really, really simple. This is the reason why. Can someone answer me what structure is that? What structure is that? Someone answer me. What structure is that? Hello, refreshment. I need you guys to answer me.
EF.
I don't want to talk alone. EF what? EF? Buy. Engulfing failed buy. So that's why it's unable to melt down. It's unable to melt down, so that's why price main-main kat sini. Play around here. And after that started to making uptrend again. But still uptrend, even though price making an uptrend, price unable to break through. Unable to break through. So that's why they keep on playing around this zone. So this is we call as zone to zone. Some people still don't understand what is zone to zone. You see? From EF, this is EF buy, right? EF buy. From buying, this is engulfing sell. Here's the breaking from dominant buy. From buying, here's the pullback. You continue going up, but then come back again to this EF buy. Continue going up, and after that, come back again. Still keep on playing this zone within these two zones. This buying zone and this selling zone. This is we call zone to zone. So until when price gonna keep on playing around this area? The question is, we have no idea. Because of why? As long as price still respect this zone with the it's like respect without breaking with the body candlestick, this zone are still valid for you to find an entry. If later on next time price come back here again, give a confirmation a low time frame, you are still a low to buy. Because of why? The zone is still valid. It's not even break. Same goes to this engulfing sell zone. If the price did not break out at this one, this setup, this engulfing fill, this engulfing sell still valid for sell. Doesn't matter how many week or how many months price gonna come back after that. That's how we want to identify our zones. Okay, so now like this case, for the AUD USD on weekly, on monthly itself, you can already see that price started to making bullish momentum, uptrend. Okay, now usually we're gonna look on to the left. Okay, now I explain on AUD USD first. We're gonna definitely look to the left. Any reaction, it happened here on the current market price on the right eye side. Belah mata kanan ni apa yang terjadi, semuanya berasaskan mata kiri. Look to the left. Okay, whenever you can see, look to the left, you can already see that this is a big zone of EG. What EG is this, guys? What engulf is that?
EG buy.
EG buy. Only EG buy. Am I teaching only one student here, inside here? Seorang je ke?
Which one,
Only
man?
one student?
Is it the grey box?
Ready cikgu.
Yeah. Ready. Baru ready seorang tu. Tak apa. Tak masalah, santai je. Today kecil, santai punya refreshment, no worries. Because we want to identify what is you guys' problem. Because I know some of you guys still facing the same thing and keep on repeating the same mistake. Am I right or not? Again and again. And sometimes they don't know. They make a mistake, but then they are already acknowledge it, but they don't want to make it as a lesson. They keep on repeating the same thing. So that's why cannot find consistency. Okay? And stop, guys. Stop mixing all the techniques. At the end of the day, you guys are going to feel that it's miserable. It's miserable. I've been there before, so don't do that. Okay? Don't do that. Just focus on one thing. Okay, so because of this EG, price started to making up, going up. Okay, now, this is only a monthly. So, I'm going to explain the movement of the price. Okay, even though, you see, this is engulfing buy, price break up, pullback must come in the sideways pattern. Price datanglah keadaan sideways. Price give you another EG buy and started to go up. That was one movement. And after that, price pull back again. Okay, price pull back again to your zone. Price started to making again another one movement. And then stuck to this engulfing sell. And then pull back again. So this will be two already. So not just that, you see how many times price making a pullback, making a movement and still respecting this big engulfing buy zone. Like I've mentioned before, doesn't care how many times price come here, it's definitely going to give you the same thing as long as the price respect this one. Same goes to these situations. The fourth, the fifth, the sixth one. Okay, see? Uptrend. But until when? So that's why we have started to marking from the monthly, and after that price started to making an uptrend. So here, try to marking all nearest engulfing zone. For example, at this one, you have one engulfing sell here. It's a bit far away from this one. You can take this one also because there's also engulfing fill here. If I adjust here, there's two zones. Two zones are saying sell, one zone are saying buy. Which one should we follow? So it's a bit not clear, right? Same thing, precise, and see what's going on, what high tech I'm trying to give you, and try to understand the movement of the market. Okay, fine. On a monthly, price are saying buy. Okay, in the same times, price already go inside engulfing fill sell. Price already started making a rejection and started to go down again. So now it means that price to respect this inside engulfing buy zone. Okay, now if you open on a weekly, price already go inside this engulfing cell. So that's why price keep playing around in this both side. All right, so now I'm going to delete the old zone. Don't get confused with all the zoning. Just try to memorize the zone that I've mentioned before. Okay, so this is because of this engulfing fair buy. That's why price keep on playing around this area. And now this is on weekly. What we should do next, we go precise again to the daily. So after you go to the daily, same thing apply. Do not get confused with, man, there's a lot of candlestick. There's a lot of candlestick. I have no idea which one should I take. Chill, relax. What I mean by chill and relax because you just need to monitor or need to focus on your current market price. Where is your current market price? Here is it. Is this your current market price or not? Or the behind? Or this one? Or this one? Which one?
First
Which
one.
one is the latest one? The green one, right? The bullish candlestick. So this is the latest one. So now, okay, now I pull this one up. Okay, so this is the latest one. So now on the daily itself, on AUD USD, you can probably see that the price started to playing around between these two zones from buying to selling, from selling to buying. So now, if you see here, if I adjust here on the daily, you have one big EG buy here. If you pull at this one, you can also use this one. Mel, can I put this engulfing buy? So if I put this one, sure, if you want to put it one, try to pull this up. Is that still eligible or not? Is still valid or not? If you see here, is this still valid or not? The buy zone.
No. It's not valid.
Yes, it's not valid because of what? Already been break
Body.
Yes, break body. Yes, great. It's already break up by body. That's why it's no longer valid. So I'm not going to put that one as our zone. So what we need to do, we just put this one as a zone. Okay, this is EG buy zone, and not just that. Try to marking. Usually, when we trading, we should have two things: our baseline and our rooftop. Our baseline is actually buy setup. Our rooftop is actually sell setup or engulfing sell. Yes, just make it simple like that. So try to marking where is your current market price that you see that there's one engulfing sell that really alone and the structure is quite clear. If you look here to the left, there's one EG sell aligned with the higher time frame. Aligned with the higher time frame weekly. Weekly what? Weekly EG sell. Yes. So now try to think back again. Price started to give confirmation sell on the weekly, and not just that, on daily also price started to give me engulfing sell. So right now you can probably see that it's more more momentum on selling. But if you can see here already, if I zoom in a bit, okay, I try to change the color. The orange one will be the EG sell. The green one will be the EG buy. Okay, now they are trying to fight with two zones, EG buy zone and EG sell zone. So now here comes the part. Man, I'm so confused. What should I do? It's really sitting near to each other. So it's okay. What you need to do, you see here already, identify the current market price. Price are sitting inside the EG buy, inside the EG buy zone. So you try. If you want to go for buy, you have to bear in your mind that if I want to find a buy set, I have to be careful because the roadblock is really near. It's really near to me. So what should I do next? Precise more. Okay, before precise, delete the old zones that from weekly because you know it already from where, and then go to where? Our last setup, daily and H4. Okay, our last setup, daily and H4, it's gonna be like this one. Remember, I always mention that's our last the setup. We're gonna start from daily or H4, precise H1 and 3 and 15. Daily, precise H4 and 3H1. If you feel that the zone is still big, you can go until and 15. Here's all the rules we need to follow. This one. Not H4, straight away go to the M5, find the setup. No. This is super wrong. Okay? So now, if you see here already, this is your CMP. Here's your CMP. Don't feel that, oh man, there's too much. There's a lot of EGs, a lot of engulfing. Which one should I take? Remember, I always mention it to you. Try to focus on your current price. Here is your current price. Here is your CMP. Try to find what is going on that zone, on that situation first, and try to marking. Okay, fine. Mel, if like that, I saw one this engulfing. Okay, I saw one engulfing, not engulfing yet. This is one a candle, but then to the left, I found one engulfing cell. Okay, I found one engulfing cell. If I pull at this one, Mel, it's already breakout. So it created engulfing fail by. Okay, it's really aligned with high time frame because of why engulfing failed by, and not just that, it's inside the green zone, EG buy zone on the daily. So it's aligned. Okay, the origin of the price is come from here. This one. The origin of the price is come from here. Okay, let me make it, because the green is for buy, right? Okay, so the origins of the price are come from here. So that's why it keeps saying that, oh, this is buy, engulfing buy structure, breakout pullback structure, another engulfing fail buy structure. Here's the breaking dominant buy, and here's the pullback. But there's a but. Man, it's look like that the price look like it's gonna break this engulfing sell zone, engulfing fail zone, because of why? Look like it's more on momentum. However, how to confirm that? How to confirm that this zone is gonna break and it's gonna become EF invalid? Wait for the closing. Closing what? Can anyone answer me?
Closing
candle.
Yes, closing candle. Wait for the closing candle. If there's no closing candle, you have to know already that it's if the closing candle is like really inside here, it's mean that the price are respecting this engulfing fail. But if later on, if H4 closing candle, the closing candle depends on your broker. Sometimes the broker are really different with the other brokers. So double check with your brokers what kind of broker that you use. If later on price breakout or close the candlestick like this one, trust me, it's not going to respect this zone. So where exactly price gonna find keep on finding the other zone? It's gonna be this one, this engulfing buy. So you see the structure there, it's gonna be like this one. Okay, so you know that, oh, maybe price gonna respect here. If price come back here and give me possible or give me SOP for buy, I'm gonna definitely buy. Because of why? Look to the left also. I have another confluence, also EG buy, also structure buy. So it's really aligned with high time frame. If let's say you already find a setup here on F15, engulf to engulf buy or engulfing fail buy, after you enter here, so before you really enter anything, what I did is actually I tried to figure it out. What if, let's say, I enter here, where is the roadblock I should be scared? Where is the exit I should be scared? Okay, if you enter here, look to the left, try to find what is the most scary thing that the price have to break down. If let's say price started to going up, the first roadblock on H4. This is I'm talking about H4. Later I'm going to explain. This is a H4. And if price able to break through, you can target that the price going to go up until here. This will be your second roadblock. You can say this one as a roadblock or you take profit point. No problem. It's either way the same thing. Okay, so if price give you this kind of confirmation, just straight away buy, no problem. It's okay. This will be your next targeted zone. Remember, inside the EG, let's say this is a daily zone, called the EG buy zone. Okay, inside the daily EG buy zone, if you open on H4, there's also another EG buy or EF buy zone inside the daily zone. Inside the big candle, okay, inside the big engulfing candlestick, okay, inside the big candlestick of engulfing, trust me, on high time frame, making one big engulf like this one, trust me, on lower time frame, that's going to have a complete structure, engulf to engulf or engulfing fail by structure. These two, it's going to do like this one, definitely. If it's engulfing cell, lower time frame going to have structure cell. That's it. So that's why. If you ask me, Mel, previously our ways is actually to wait for the both eye to create engulf to engulf, correct? H4, both eye need to wait for the engulf to be created, but we don't want to do that because sometimes we have to wait for a longer time for the price to closing. Only that we can find an entry. So we're not going to do that. Whenever price started to pull back to our zone, started to close body inside our zone, then after that we go to the one time frame, middle time frame to precise, and after that go to another entry time frame. That's it, more easy. Okay, this is the scenario. I would say I'll give you the scenario for you guys to understand more better, because of why this is a buying zone. If it's buying zone and high time frame saying the same thing, just go for it. It doesn't mean that, oh Mel, I saw high time frames are more on buying, but then I go to the H4 or daily, it give me sell. What should I do? Should I wait for buy or should I just continue sell? just continue selling. Take whatever price going to give you, but you already bear in your mind that, oh, there was a retracement. If I took that setup, it's only retracement because of why? The higher time frames are saying buy. So if I'm go for sell, it's only retracement. For example, let's say price already move up until here. Okay, move up until here, and suddenly this is engulfing sell, right? Another smiley face, and it create engulf to engulf sell on H4 engulfing sell, and after that you jump to H1. You saw that H1 give you one EG sell, and then if you go to the F15 again, you see F15 give you perfect structure engulf to engulf sell on the lower time frame. What should you do? Can I entry here? Sure, entry. No problem. You can sell here. But you bear in your mind already that, oh, maybe I can sell here because of why? I can see that price started to make a SOP for sell. But then if I already sell here, I have to look back again. Oh, where is the exit? Or maybe I have to be careful whenever price started to melt down. I have to be careful with the opposite roadblocks. Where is the opposite roadblock? Maybe to the left. Or maybe to this one, to this back again to this engulfing buy. The zoning from here to here, like that. It's vice versa. Take whatever price going to give you. So at that situation or at that point, take whatever price going to give you. But then you have to bear in your mind, you are entering the setup using retracement or continuation. That's it. Okay, so like this kind of situation, yep, you do like this one. Try to find from high time frame to lower time frame. It's going to be more proper way like that. So that's why I always say that if you follow the flow, if you follow the rules, you're not going to be disaster. You're going to have a good entries and you're going to be profitable. And the reason why people, one more thing, the reason why people keep on, maybe it can earn some profit. 1 day, 2 days can earn some profit. But then the third day, you blew up everything. You blew the account. Why? Come back to yourself. Sometimes you are always greedy. So when we greedy, we're going to think like, oh, previous 2 days, I can earn a lot of money already. I can profit. But at the third day, I feel so greedy and I double up everything. The lot sizes, I feel that, oh, this is my setup. Oh, I do that like yesterday. It's profit. Today, market will definitely follow me. You're wrong already. Market not going to follow you. You have to follow what kind of structure, what kind of confirmation market will going to give you that day, that time, that point. Understand? Understand, you guys?
Yes.
Faham eh?
Faham, cikgu.
Yes. Take whatever it takes. Macam kenal suara tu faham cikgu tu. Okay. So, this is the one example that I already show you on AUD/USD. Okay, let's say. I know you guys are excited to wait for the gold. I know. Later I'm going to explain about gold. Okay. So the other favorite pairs you can see GU, EJ is also nice one, nice pairs. Okay, because the structure is so good. You can understand it's so nice. So so clean. The structure is so clean lah. Senang cerita. It got engulfing fail, so it got engulfing buy. Both zones are saying buy. So that's why price going up like that. So let's say this is on H4. This is on H4. Okay. This is on H4. If you look to the left, it's already give you like how many pips already? From here up until here, okay, only 87 pips. 87 pips, yep. Okay, one more thing. For the other price, you don't expect the price is really huge like a gold. I know. Gold nowadays, even M5, even F15 can give you 200, 300, 400 at that pips. I know. But to not to be greedy, not to be, how to say, not to feel that you're confused, you're hesitant to entry on gold, try to find another price. It's okay. I know gold can give you a lot of money, but gold can burn your account too many times also. Okay, so like this kind of situation, why engulfing fail and engulfing buy or give you a structure buy, and after that it's going up, but then unable to going up, started to making what? Started to ranging. If you saw like this kind of candlestick, if you look to the left, okay, if you look to the left, you try to figure it out. What is going on? Why price behaving like this? Okay, that's one. Okay, try to put this one. Is this engulfing buy or not? Okay, try to zoom in. If this is engulfing buy, this is perfect. This is not engulfing buy. Okay, if this is engulfing buy, it's going to be engulfing fail. So market try to make a reaction here. This is how I want to show you when market try to change the directions. For now, okay, this is easy buy, this is easy buy, this is engulfing sell. So now I'm trying to show you what happened if you only open an H4 without understanding what's going on high time frame. If you go like this one, you're gonna feel like So what should I do next, Mel? So should I buy or should I sell? Correct or not? If I do like this, then what should I do? First, should I come from buy and already go inside sell? Should I sell or should I buy? If I sell, until when? Until where can I sell? That's the question you're gonna have. Okay, so like example, if you're only on looking on H4, you're gonna be like this one. You're gonna have a lot of zone you have to be careful with. Okay, let's say if market on a reverse, you see price started to make engulfing sell, break up, pull back. Okay, usually people will ask me, okay, try to forget this one first. Mel, can I take this one as EG to EG? Can I take this one as EG to EG? Can or not, you guys think?
Too close together.
Yes, it's too close. It's actually there's a explanation of it.
Lower time frame.
Yes. First thing first, the reason why I drew like this one is actually I want you guys to understand about the sideways. Because of why? The more bigger sideways, the more further price can go. If the more smaller sideways like this one, smaller sideways, price cannot go really, really far away. Like that, only up until here. If the sideways is more bigger, price is gonna go really, really far away. Like this one, it doesn't mean that this setup is not valid. Yes, it's valid, but I would say that the structure is a bit ugly. Okay, let's see what's going on actually for this structure. Okay, we try to study for this structure first. Okay, Mel, I saw engulfing sell, created engulfing sell, break up, pull back. Price started to close body inside our zone, even not entirely, even half of it, it's okay as long as price already closed the body inside our zone. So what is the next step? I'm gonna find one straight line. Okay, I'm gonna go where? Go to the H. Go where? H.
H1.
H1. Yes, go to the H1. So if H1 is actually, a lot of people ask me, can I, if I go to H1, can I take the left eyes and drag together to our CMP to find a good set, to find a setup? Actually, sometimes if you're dragging your left eyes to combine with this one, this right eye, you're gonna get really, really miserable. In this kind of situation, yes, price give you clear setup for this EG to EG. But sometimes at the certain setup, if you go to the H1, price give you enough to but then it started to stuck and playing around and keep on ranging, and after that, it's gonna waste your time, and then you're gonna feel that, is my setup is going or not? Why is keep playing around? At that time, when you do a live session, you're gonna feel confused really, 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 really a lot. So that's why just follow here. That's why I put one straight line. I want you guys to focus here. I don't want you guys to take up until here. No need. Focus here. CMP is everything. So if that time, okay, just try to imagine. Price just started to go inside your zone, started to close body entirely. This is when it's indicate that, okay, fine, you can go to the F15 to find engulf to engulf or EF. Okay, because of why? It's already showing you that we started to weak. Okay, if that time you go until F15 also doesn't give you anything, you are allowed to go until M5. Why? It's because the setup is not clear. You can do that one. Okay, at that time, our job is simple, try to find engulfing. So same thing, here's also engulfing. Okay, at that time, okay, I try to show you one. At that time, okay, I zoom in a bit. Maybe you're gonna wait like this. Okay, you're gonna do like this. You're gonna wait like this. Hold on a second. I'm gonna make it dark. Yes, like that. Okay, so at that time, our job is whenever we want to precise, try to marking several zones that you are targeted for the price to go. For example, you have one engulfing sell zone at that point. And then after that, I'm not going to rely only one zone. I'm going to put 2 zone or at least 3 zone. At least. Because why not? The zone is free, no need to pay, right? So try to marking where is it. If I miss the engulf sell setup, where is the next opportunity for me to entry? I've won this EG buy, and also this one also EG buy, but why I'm not going to marking it? It's because it's side by side like that, so it's okay. Okay, I have these two zones. So which zone price is going to come and make reactions? I'm going to enter it. So at that time, price already started to create engulfing sell. Price making a breakout. Price making a pullback. Here's already on M15. So don't expect for the price to give you perfect smiley face with the sideways and everything. Don't expect price to do that. Why? It's already M15. It's small time frame already. Just entry. Just enter. Whatever price give you, just entry. For example, like this one. You see? Price started to play around this area. Play around this area. I'm going to straight away entry. I'm going to enter. Sell. Why? This is my first zone. The first and only zone that I have that time. That creating engulfing cell. So that's why I'm selling here. So even though, let's say I'm selling here on F15, then price started to going down like that. Price started to going down. Price started to going down to the second zone. Sorry. To my second zone here. This is engulfing buy. You are on sell. So that time, might be you're going to feel a bit scared. Why? Because this is the nearest road. Nearest roadblock that we have. So that time you're going to feel scared. Give me 1 second. My voice is really... Okay, sorry. So at that time, might be you're going to feel scared because of why? You know, definitely you have, you're going to feel that, okay, imagine this one is not complete yet. Imagine that time, you already sell here, bunch lot of sell here, you sell, then after that, that's one engulfing buy. It will be like this sometimes. Price going down, and then give a sideways, and after that, boom, boom, come back again to your sell zone. If I were you, if price come back into my zone, I'm going to sell. I'm going to enter again. If let's say my margin is still there, you can add on a layer. Why? This is the last zone that I'm going to target it for price to sell. I'm going to layer again. But if later on, after you sell, but then price continue going up, and break out everything. Break with closing candlestick on F15. I knew it. Oh, I have to cut loss. Why? I have to cut loss. I don't want to risk everything because of why? It will be sometimes price gonna go up, break out everything, and then started to create another new easy cell. Even though it's easy cell created a bit outside of the zone, you don't worry. On H4, it's not even breakout. It's only a shadow. It will definitely happen like this sometimes. So I want you guys to be alert with it. Okay. So sometimes whenever price started to give you this one, you can make this one as your new zone. Take this one as your new engulfing sell zone. Price breakout, price pull back again, sell again. Sell again here. Because why? Another opportunity. As long as the price is still inside the zone and nearest the zone, you can take this one as your sell setup. It's not even breakout. But if let's say H4 started to close body outside of the zone like this one, you better be careful. Cut loss everything. Your setups already failed. Confirm fail. So don't hold. No need to hold. If H1 breakout your zone, double check on H4. Is H4 candlestick like how? Is it giving you a shadow or body candlestick? If body candlestick, cut loss everything. If it giving you a shadow, chill. You can stay chill because what is still valid. It's a bit high risk, but yeah, definitely we're gonna monitor the zone that we enter. Okay, we're gonna monitor the zone that we enter. If it's break, you have to cut loss. Remember, we always use cut loss. We're not going to use stop loss unless you are using a funded account. That some funded account need to put a stop loss. You can put 20 to 30 pips from your entry point. You can put a stop loss, but most likely I will recommend for you guys to use cut loss. Better, more confirm and safe like that. Okay, so back to our story. Okay, sorry, with a lot of the drawings. Okay, back to our story like this one. Price started to make a reactions and started to respect your sell zone. You see, not even break up. That's why when you're marking, put your zone properly from head to toes. Do not put like a body like that only, or maybe a shadow like that. No. We have to put entirely. When you put entirely, you see, price we're gonna take some time, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and after that another an hour plus something started to making a movement. So you have one roadblock here, right? Your engulfing buys that have been scared, break up by body candlestick, pull back. Gonna look on it, entry. Straight away high risk entry. Just entry because of what? It's like wait, let me put. It's really inside or nearest the sell zone. So no problem. This will be your second re-entry. The entry part. That one. So price started to going down. Same goes to this one. Make this one as your next zone. Same goes to this one. Started to break up, creating dominant sell. And here's the pullback entry. So third entry. So same goes to this one. Break up, pullback entry. That's it. Break up, pullback entry. So from here up until here, tell me how many times you're gonna have the opportunity for you to enter already. Can you guys tell me? There's 1.
4.
There's 2. Yes. There's 3. There's 4
That's
times.
4.
Yes. There's a lot. You want to find out until here? Sure, no problem. But there's no pullback. So usually people will do like this. Mel, I think the pips is not enough for me. You see, from here up until here is not enough for me. Usually they will do like that. But trust me, in this trading field, whatever market give you, you just take it. What I mean by that is, if you're going to have one movement like this one, big movement like this already, one clear movement, take it. If let's say, from that point to this point, you're going to have only 65 pips. Okay, that time, honestly speaking, you're going to say that, oh man, only 65 pips. If I'm trade on gold, everything can give me 100 pips, 200 pips. Yeah, I know. Then you go ahead, trade on gold. But don't ask me why you get so confused with the volatility of the gold. Don't ask me. Gold will definitely work like that and react like that. Okay, so if you understand the goal, you are really no problem to trade another pair. But sometimes, like one of my my friend, he only trade on gold. But if he try to trade another pair, he will be like, oh, I'm so scared. I'm not good with other pairs. But my answer is, it's actually the same. Same thing applies. Same SOP. Same concepts. There's no difference. Just different is the volatility of the gold and other pairs. That's it. So honestly speaking, for me, if like price already move like 65 pips like this, I'm good already. I'm good. I don't care. People gonna say like, man, only 65 pips, it's not much for me. I'm gonna swing 200 pips, 300 pips, 400 pips. I don't care. If you want to swing, just swing. Use another account for you to swing. Just use for swing. But for me, 65 pips is way more than enough to compare to someone else that are holding the position for 300 pips, 400 pips, because the lot sizes, the quality setup, quality entries. So that's why I said, in 1 week, if you have 2 to 3 good quality setup, you are good already. No need to trade every day unless you have a free times, and unless your working schedule is not packed. Yeah, you can trade every day. Go ahead, no problem. It's depend. Trading is depend on your times. Sometimes people are really busy with you guys work, and then some people will say that, hey, I have free time, so I can trade every day. Sure, no problem. If you are using a daily setup, you're going to enter process on H4, enter on H1. If you're using H4, you're going to enter on H1, enter on F15. So if you're using H4 setup, you need to monitor your chart every 1 hour, every 15 minutes. If you're using a daily setup, you need to monitor your chart every 4 hourly and every 1 hour, like that. Unless you process again until line 15, yep, just monitor these two zones. It's actually okay. Okay, it's actually okay. If you want to go until line 15, sure, no problem. But for me, daily is quite a big setup. Just take a look on this one first. Okay, then after this M15. So personally, yeah, it's enough already. It's enough. It's good. Don't chase the price. Whatever market give you, just take it. Just take it. Even though you know that, oh, maybe price can give me more. Price can give me a lot more, because of why I sell here. Okay, I show you. Because why I sell here around this area, but at that point, you're gonna feel that, oh, Mel, at that time, I feel that market doesn't reach to the certain point yet. Okay, what I mean by that, not reach to the certain point is price already move up until here. So you're gonna feel that, I can hold the position. Why? Because at that point, I have this easy buy, I have this engulfing fill. Okay, this is not engulfing sell. Okay, be careful. And this is also not engulfing buy. Be careful. So at that point, you're gonna look at the left for your next zone. So you're gonna say that, Mel, so I'm gonna hold my position, Mel, because I'm target that price gonna go up until this engulfing buy or engulfing fail. Sure. If you want to do like that, that's the way. Okay, let's say I give you an example. 0.01, you multiple by 20 lots. You enter 20 lots, okay? Entry and then after that, price already make a big movement from here to here. You feel that, 56 pips. I think it's enough. If you already entered 20 positions, secure the 15 position. The other 5, please put DEs, break even. So if you put break even, doesn't care where price gonna go, it's okay. I already secure my profits. What happened? The traders always do like this one. They entry, and after that, whenever price started to profitable, they don't want to secure anything. They just keep on holding. So what happens? Sometimes, whenever you hold a position, you see price make a rejection here, started to come back here again. Then after that, you're gonna start to feel scared. You're gonna start to freak out. You're gonna say that, oh, my setup is failed. It's come back to my entry point. So what happened? You started to cut loss. Previously, you are on profit from here to here, a lot already. But you just easily say that I don't want to take profit anything yet. I'm gonna hold my position until price started to reverse. Only that you are feel, oh no, I want to take profit. I want to take profit. Why? Previously you are profit a lot already. Why do you want to secure? Why you just want to wait? You want to prove what? If you want to wait, if you want to see what is what price gonna go where, what price gonna go. If you want to do like that one, set BEs. Set BEs. Then look where price gonna go. Okay? No need to gamble everything up all in like that. No, we're not gambler. Please, no. We're not gambler. Okay? Understand my point or not?
Yes.
Yes. Only one understand?
Yes.
Yes, two.
Yes.
Only two. Three.
Yes.
4, 5, 6. Yes. That's I want to hear. That's I want to hear. Okay. So that's the point. Secure everything else. Don't in this trading. You're not going to compete with others. You're just going to compete with who?
Ourselves.
Yes, yourself. I keep on repeating this one again and again and again. This one, seriously. Okay, guys. You guys want to know one thing? I've been experiencing a lot since I lost my Instagram account. You know, a lot of people trying to take me down because of why they don't want me to teach this engulfing anymore. They don't want me to teach this engulfing. I don't know why they are so. It's a bit out of the topic, but I'm trying to tell you guys that they don't want to let me teach this engulfing anymore. I try to be transparent. I try to teach everything, but certain MV people don't want to let me teach it because of why? Engulfing, this kind of technique is really making you guys money if you really follow all the SOP that I've taught. Trust me. You ask certain people inside this group. You ask them how many months, how many years they have already been successful, been consistent, already profit withdrawing every single day. Every week they must have a withdrawal. You ask them. Definitely they will have. So the point here is they're trying to not let you guys do these steps. As long as I'm here, as long as I'm still here, I'm gonna guide you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys about engulfing and everything. But your job is try to make it all out until it happen. Because who knows, one day, one point, I don't have any platform anymore for you guys to guide you guys, or they don't want me to keep on spread this engulfing techniques anymore. I don't know. There's a lot of MV people out there, so I don't care about if I cannot teach anymore. I don't care. The one that I've cared is actually whenever you guys already got this knowledge, use it all out. Do it all out. So don't easily share the knowledge freely with other people. Try to value something that you hardly to get. That's my point. Okay? Because a lot of MV people out there. So take care of this knowledge. Really, really good one. All right? Promise?
Promise. Two people promise.
Promise.
Yep. So that's the point. Okay? So that's about the setup. So if you want to hold the position, just go ahead, just hold. So let's say for the missing point, I know for the part that you say that I'm gonna confuse with the zone and everything. So like I've mentioned before, double check on high time frame. You see what's going on high time frame on weekly? What engulfing is that? Tan-tan.
Engulfing fail.
Yes, engulfing fail for us to buy. If you look to the nearest left, it's already give engulfing fail, but it continue going up until when? Look to the left. Ooh. If it's too far away, put a line like this. Okay. Put a line up. Sorry. Put a line like this. Or you can do like this one. If not, you're gonna confuse with a lot of EGs. Okay. If you feel that maybe this engulfing, try to double check what is going on. Maybe press gonna find your version here. This is the best engulfing, the latest one. And also you have these EGs, but the reason why I put the down here, this one, is because that was the latest one. Okay, if it break this one, you know already which EG should you take. It's of course obviously will be this EGs. Okay, so to the left, you see this is on weekly. If you put on monthly, you can see already that price started to making an uptrend because of this engulfing to engulfing of the engulfing to this engulfing. Price go up until here, but then price started to make a rejection. Why?
To the left.
To the left. Yes, you're right. Making rejections. Until when? Maybe price gonna come back again and close body inside the EG cell and continue going down again. Until when? Maybe until here. We have no idea. Or might be price gonna continue going up. Just break out all this engulfing cell just to touch this engulfing cell or this engulfing cell. That's it. So as for now, Be careful with this zone. Weekly, price already go inside the weekly sell zone. Remember, price already go inside the engulfing sell zone, even though price making the engulfing fail buy. This is only a retracement, maybe for the price to push up until this engulfing sell and continue going down, continue drop down like that. So as for now, you can make a target like this one. Okay, here's this engulfing sell, and I have one engulfing buy zone. Okay, remember, the red one is the sell, the green one is the buy. So this is good. Of course, it's not clear. Go to the daily. So if you go to the daily, you can probably see that, okay, here, price started to make a reaction. The rejection started to melt down. Why? If you want to find a reason, look to the left. It's a bit far away, unfortunately. Certain price need to precise more. Okay, if you have this a line, you can put this one. It's either this EG cell, or it's either this EG cell or this engulfing fail cell. We're going to look and see. We're going to find and see. It's because of this or not. Yep, rejections. Right through that rejection. So now what's going on? Try to precise more. Already. Delete the old zone. Do not get confused with a lot of zonings. Okay, please. Okay, hold on. I delete first. Okay. Price making a rejection because of the sell. So now your latest zone, price started to making a pullback. Until when? Until where? We're going to target. Okay, first, maybe look to the left, find something first. If you find around this area, you have one this engulfing fifth buy. You can look up until left, but it's too far away, so it's not necessary to do that. Just do on CNP like that. You have one this engulfing fail buy. Here's the breaking dominant. Here's the pull back, making rejections, and maybe we're gonna target for the price to go up until when? It's gonna be this engulfing sell, right at the engulfing sell on the weekly. So Mel, if let's say the scenario will be like this, okay, if price go like this, we're gonna look for sell, just like that. But if price come back here again and started to play around inside this engulfing buy zone, I'm gonna look for buy. That's it. That's the point. Don't get confused. But if let's say price only move up until here, like in the middle of nowhere, like in the surface of the engulfing fail, then refer back again to this engulfing fail. Maybe because of this engulfing fail, price love to pull back with the surface pullback. It's because of that. Okay, so that's the scenario case of this story. But in this case of situation, price only move up until here, make a rejection on a daily. I have not say any. I didn't see any opportunity for me to enter yet for me to buy. Price just make a reaction on this dominant area. So I'm gonna precise more. I'm gonna go where? I'm gonna go to H4. Same thing. I'm going to go to H4. If let's say, here's because of this engulfing, like I've mentioned before, engulfing fail, engulfing buy. Okay, price already come up until here. So now, the mistake people always did is actually they love to chase the price. Why? I'm gonna because I saw this is a big buy zone. Okay, this is a sell zone. This is a sell zone. I see that it's going to do it's doing the uptrend movement, so I'm gonna chase the price. I'm gonna buy again. Little did you know, you try to buy inside what? What engulf is this? What engulf is that, guys?
Sell.
Engulf sell. So if you try to buy inside the engulfing sell zone, price gonna boom. Then after that, you straight away, you jump, you continue sell. I'm gonna sell. Boom. You will be cheated again with the price again and again. Because of why? You enter and not the supposed place. Why? Who asked you to do that? Why I say like this? I've been there. I do that before. You guys a lot of time. Whenever I sell, it buy. Whenever I buy, it sell. Why? I enter in the middle of nowhere. I'm not patient enough. Especially girls. I know. We are emotional. We have a lot of emotion, so we cannot. So that's why. Be patient. If you don't feel that, I cannot be patient with this trading, please try to find another job, not this one, please. Not this one. It's really, really hurtful truth. It's actually, yes. You have to wait. If you don't wait, be ready to deposit again. Trust me. When you understand what you are doing, every day you're going to get consistent, and day by day you're going to get boring with this trading. Trust me. You're going to feel, repeat the same thing again. It's not being cocky or what, but it's definitely the same thing. Repeat the same thing again and again and again. Okay? The point is try to understand. If you don't trust me, try to ask Luke, someone inside here named Luke. He's consistent like hell today. Not today, previously also. He's really, really consistent. And got some other student also that asked me to hide their names, already been consistent like crazy. Like daily. And every weekly withdrawing, every day withdrawing. Yeah, there's a lot of here people. Okay. So now that's the point. Take whatever market give you. If price already go up until here, do not chase. It's okay. Just wait. Okay, because of why? If you keep on entering, you want to buy here. Okay, you see, I'll show you why. If you want to buy around this area, try to look here. Price already making enough sell, break up, pull back, and come back again to this zone. Even though there's no closing candle inside the H4 zone, it's okay. Try to look what is going on around this area. Try to look first. Go to the H1. Okay. If you go to the H1, you see H1 doesn't give you anything, but it's meltdown. It's because of why? Okay, if you go to the F15, you can see already here price started to making rejections. It's actually price making what we call a reaction toward to the left. It's actually to the left because there's engulfing fails. But like I've mentioned before, we're not going to take the left one because of why? If you take something at the surface entry, it's gonna be really, really high risk and dangerous. And later on, you're gonna feel that, where should I exit? Because I take to the left. Which one should I exit? Which one should I take? Is it this one? Is it this one? You're gonna feel that. No, so no need. Focus here. If it's not clear on F15, go until M5. Now try to find engulf or EF. In this case of this situation, I have one EG cell. Okay, this is not EG cell. This is EG cell, engulfing cell, break up, pull back, and three. Just pull and three like that. So when you if you already enter around this area, please monitor this zone. So where is going to be your next targeted TP or next targeted roadblock? It's going to be this one first. And after that, whereas you can take this also as a roadblock, but it's a bit far away, but no problem. You can take that one. And this is the third one. Whereas if it can be go through, it can break up everything. Mana lagi nak cari? Where is it? Here. Step by step, slowly and surely you can find an answer. So this one also. So yeah, it will be like this one. Definitely price gonna go zone to zone, from sell to buy, from buy to sell. But the reason I put this one, we can make a target. Yeah, maybe price gonna go up until here. Maybe price can melt out until here. But the question is, the reason why we put a zone like this one, it's because we want to see what kind of confirmation price gonna make whenever price already come and reach to the certain zone. That's our job. That's what we're trying to monitor. That's it. If later on price come here, give you engulf to engulf on F15, or price give you one uptrend movement. You have to be careful. Why? Valid SOP for buy. On F15, maybe for this engulfing fail, just to make you see that the pullback up until here again, then enter again. Sell here. That's how we do. Just sell here. So then but price will definitely continue going down. Come back again to this engulfing. Same concept. See it again. Oh, got any confirmation of buy or not? If got confirmation of buying, be careful. Maybe price gonna come back again. Just to making sure to touch again this engulfing sell. After price settle this roadblock, only that price can move or price can melt down little heavily more like that. Maybe where? Up until here. Or maybe here. Like that. Market will definitely move like that every day. Every single day. Trust me. In matter of times, you're gonna understand what I mean. But you have to do it. If you don't do it, you will not understand what I'm saying. You don't even understand what I'm saying. Okay? So that's how we monitor this one. From high time frame to low time frames, from the weekly, daily H4. This is what we did. Mingpai ma? Understand? You guys understand what I'm saying?
Tak ngerti cikgu.
Yes. Faham Ngerti bagus. Okay, now.
Tak ngerti cikgu bahasa Inggeris.
Enggak ngerti bahasa Inggeris pula. Sudah. Allahu Akbar. Oi, berbaca weh. Cikgu jujur saya tak ngerti bahasa Inggeris ni, bukan senyap. Tak apa. Ulang benda sama. Gorilla, ulang benda sama. It's actually benda yang sama. Saya cakap benda sama. Refreshment same thing actually.
Cikgu, saya boleh tanya tak cikgu?
Silakan. Yes. Any question?
Pasal nak main swing sama roadblock cikgu.
Okay.
Sebab main intraday sama scalping dah bosan dah cikgu.
Sekarang dah bosan lah nak intraday lah, nak swing. Swing boleh, you can use setup lain. Setup lain.
Ya cikgu.
Use your... sorry, putus. Nak swing.
Nak swing cikgu.
Can. If you want to swing, use another account. Do not mix with the scalping account. Do not mix with the intraday account. Jangan. Okay?
Okay cikgu.
Sebab, because of why? If you want to swing, just focus on swing. Make another account. Do not mix all swing. This is our scalping. This is this is intraday. This is a news account. No. You cannot mix everything up. Later on, memang huru hara. Okay?
Kalau pasal Roblox cikgu, masih
Same
belum.
concept.
Gimana cikgu?
Ke pasal Roblox apa? Saya tak dengar lah, putus.
Kalau pasal Roblox, cikgu, monitornya cikgu, time frame
Roblox nak monitor time frame mana? Sama lah. Ni saya tengah cerita pasal Roblox ni. Same thing. If you entry on F15, entry dekat F15, monitor Roblox kat F15 dulu. Takkanlah you entry kat F15 pergi Roblox kat H4. Mana logik? Betul tak? H4 jauh lagi. Tengok ni. Sini H4 ni. You dah entry sini. Okay, I repeat You already entry here, so of course you gonna look the Roblox on F15. It's not logic if you entry on F15 and after that you go to H4 to look for the Roblox. The Roblox will be really really far away. Ni akan jadi sangat-sangat jauh. Tengok sini dulu, F15 dulu. Step by step. Settle F15 first. After F15 settle, that go to the H1 ni. All the F15 Roblox. This is what I mean. Because of why? F15 Roblox sama juga. If you open H1, this is what will be the Roblox inside the engulfing. This is why I mention di dalam big engulfing. Sekali lagi ada case. One more time I will draw. Inside the big engulfing candle. Oh my god, so ugly. Sorry, my bad. Inside the big engulfing candle, okay, on higher time frame, there's gonna be also same thing, engulf to engulf on the lower time frame. This one, you see? This one is F15 Roblox, right? Betul tak? F15 Roblox, kan? So, tengok ni. What's this? What's that? EF, right? Not just that. Another EG.
Bye.
EG bye. Same thing. So, it's a logic thing. Kalau you entry dekat F15, tengok F15 first. Check F15 first. Only that you go to the H1 and H4. Do not jump. Jangan, kalau jump memang you sakit hati lagi nak tengok. Pening je lagi. Follow the flow. Sama juga. Same also. Sekejap I cakap Melayu dulu, cakap English. Okay, I will talk in Malay first and after that I will translate to English. Same goes to the roadblock. Same thing. Roadblock, take profit and exit. It's actually the same thing. How you precise. Sama benda yang you precise. Okay, entry dekat F15. Betul. Check roadblock dekat F15. Settle roadblock dekat F15 baru pergi dekat H1. Settle dekat H1 baru pergi dekat H4. You precise pun you buat benda yang sama kan? You check H4 dulu. H4 dah settle baru kita pergi H1 nak cari engulf to engulf. Lepas tu baru pergi F15 kan? Nak cari benda yang sama. Sama flow dia, ikut. Untuk roadblock TP dengan exit ni pula, kita ikutkan dia terbalik je. Start dengan F15 dulu. Traffic kecil kita entry. Lepas tu H1 lah. Dah entry kat H1. Dah check H1 semua roadblock, segala roadblock dia dah berjaya pecah. Baru kita pergi dekat H4. Macam tu. Okay. So, for the roadblock part, okay, I ulang untuk English punya. For the roadblock part, you have to check from the entry point from F15. After that, all the F15 roadblock can be go through, only that you go to the H1. If your H1 roadblock can go through, only that you go to the H4. Same process like you precise. H4, H1, and 15. But for roadblock, just start from smaller time frame. Like that. Follow the orders. Okay? Faham? Understood? Faham? Banyak bahasa keluar dah.
Faham cikgu.
Faham
Tapi cikgu,
yes.
Mana kita boleh tahu roadblock ni pecah? Macam mana? Maksudnya kita nak hold tu nanti.
You nak hold, saya tak tahu macam mana nak tahu dia boleh pecah ke tak. Mesti tu soalan.
Nak hold cikgu.
You nak hold saya tak tahu. Macam saya cakap lah, you nak hold, you kena set BE everything. If you want to hold the setup, set BE dulu. Tengok dulu. Sebab kita tak tahu zone tu dia boleh respect tak. Contohlah you cakap, Mel, saya entry here. I entry here. I want to hold the position. What should I do? Can I know that the zone can break or not? We have no idea. Kita tak tahu. Dia boleh pecah, tak boleh pecah. Siapalah kita. Kalau boleh tahu, hebat lah. Saya dah trillionaire dah macam tu, kalau boleh tahu, betul tak? So, in this engulfing thing is, kita tengok apa benda yang reaction terjadi dalam zone engulf ni. Inside this engulfing thing, we try to look what is going on. What is the reaction happen inside the engulfing zone. That's it. If it's breakout like this one, breakout later on, price coming, breakout this one, closing candle like this one on H1, perfect. Confirm this one is normal for buying, so lega, relief, it's okay, it's already breakout, so I know that okay, this one is not valid anymore for buying, so I'm gonna hold my position. I hold lagi punya position. Sebab apa? Sebab dia dah pecah. So next target yang kena risau kat mana pula? Risaulah kat bawah ni. Sekejap, I delete sekejap. Risau pula kat bawah ni sekarang ni ada tak mana-mana engulfing ke? Kat sini kalau ada engulfing ni dia pecah juga. Mantap. So you know already that okay, price kalau pecah ni boleh pergi sampai bawah. Ni ada lagi engulfing sell, tapi kita tengoklah engulfing sell ni dah tak valid. Engulfing fail ni dah tak valid. It's not valid anymore. Why? Can someone tell me why? DCF is not valid. This one.
Broken already.
Yeah, it's broken already. You are right. Too many times. One broken. No, this is not valid. So if it's already break out everything, the next targeted zone will be where? This will be here, down here. That's it. Itu saja. Understand? Faham?
Faham dulu, clear.
Faham. Okay. Another question. Ask me. Ask me anything. I will answer. Let me write here. I read here. Yes, correct. Londo, you are right. This is an advice. Smart hedge for engulf and look at what's happening at low time frame current market price. Set the zone to understand. Yes, perfect. You are right. It's too powerful. That's why people don't want you to teach this value. Yes,
Miss Mel.
Yes.
One thing I've learned, you have to focus on yourself.
Yes. Yes.
Don't rely to anyone else. Just focus on yourself and the market.
You are right. It's actually focus on yourself. That's why I said if you want to swing the setup, okay, sometimes your another friends, let's say you are looking for buy. Sometimes if you already entry on buying setup, sometimes your other SNL friend or your other supply demand friends entry sell. So you're gonna feel that is my setup is wrong or not? Is my setup is not correct or their setup is not correct? It's not who right, who wrong. No. Sometimes they're looking, if let's say they're looking for sell, but then it's actually they're just on scalping. The main direction is actually buying. So it's okay. Just focus on it. Focus on your buy. Ignore everything. Just get out from your signal groups, get out from your others technique that you're gonna feel really confusing. Just focus on one thing, please. You focus on one thing, you're gonna focus one thing, you're gonna see how it's changed your trading style. Trust me. Yeah, follow the SOP. It will be good. Seriously, it will be good. So that's it. That's about the trading thing. Any other question? Ask me. Anything, just ask me.
Miss Mel.
Yes?
Why do people keep on comparing you with Berg?
Sorry, what?
Why do people comparing you with Berg, always comparing you with Berg?
I don't know. Well, they try to say that, they said to me, Berg said, we are teaching, Khabib and Nemo and some other engulfing teachers teach not correct way. They say we teach not correct way. Then I'm laughing. I said, what? If you say if you say Berg say that we are teaching not the correct way, I'm using exactly what he said. And I try to make it simple to make you guys more understand my ways. So if you say I would
layman's term.
Yeah, you're right. So it's like example like this. We try to fight with dumbass people, we're not going to win. So just let it be. I don't care anymore. I don't care. Since I lost my IG account, I don't care. A lot of people try to take us down. We just do our job. Okay? Just try to trade and focus on yourself. So that's why nowadays, if people already started to consider, some people choose to be silent.
Exactly.
Because it's too toxic here. Too much toxicity. So that's why.
True.
So
too
focus
much
on yourself. Yes, exactly. Just focus on yourself. Okay? So that's why if you ask me, man, why the group is a bit silent? The Malitos group is a bit silent. Why? It's actually a lot of people love to DM me. Personally DM me. Not inside the group. Maybe they're maybe shy or they don't want to ask inside the group. But they will DM me outside the group. So that's why I'm taking some time to reply, because I only have two hands. But I do definitely reply like that. Okay? Because of why they just do their way, printing money. Sometimes I know a lot of people busy, cannot focus on trading. But yep, whenever you have time, just trade. It's not forcing you. Like I've told you, if you're busy, try to find daily setup. Okay, if you're busy, try to find a daily setup. If you feel that I have a lot of time, find a H4 setup. If you want to swing, start from weekly. Weekly, daily H4. You're gonna wait for so long, but it's definitely worth it. Mel nak share sikit compounding tu real effect. Sebelum entry dah tahu target and receive waktu powerful. Yes, Gorillas, you're right. Gorilla said that compounding is the real effect. Before entry, already know how much the target and risk reward for ourselves. It's really powerful. Yes, it is. Who is Berg? Berg is actually the one that teach us.
Normal, I have a question.
Yes. Who's that? Someone else?
Hello?
Yes, continue.
Yeah, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so my question is,
Mm-hmm.
you sent me an SOP template on Telegram.
Mm-hmm.
So from what you told me, you said when price comes into an H4 zone,
Mm-hmm.
I have two options. It's either I wait inside the H4 zone, mark an existing engulf inside the H4 zone, then I go to the M15 or M5 to look for an engulfing, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but my question now is this. When I go to M15, am I looking for the formation of a new EG or using the existing EG on M15?
Okay, understand. So this is H4. Okay. H4 already create UEG, correct? Price already making a
Yes.
breakout and started to pull back
Yes.
zone. Started to close body inside your zone. So when H4 started to close body inside your zone, you put one straight line, correct? Then you go to the H1 to find what is
Yes.
EG, new EG. It's either new EG, it's just EG
Yes.
or EF. Okay, it's either new EG or existing EG that appears here. If there is nothing, there's no new EG or there's no existing EGs that time.
EG.
Go
You said the new EG is better.
If new EG give you, it's mean better because of what? It's another confirmation saying that yes, I'm going up. If H1 or H1 doesn't give you any EGs, the old one or the current one, you can go until M15. If you open on M15, definitely if it started to close candle, it's gonna start to give you EGs. But sometimes if only one closing candle, maybe you can only see one EGs like that compared to a lot of another EGs, EF like that. The possible zone, we call that one. So one candlestick, it give you one EG, just make this one as your zone. Whenever price started to break up, pull back again to your zone, just entry. If your entry point has been break like this one, if price break out like this one, you know it, this one is not ready yet for buy. Maybe at that time, price started to create you another new EG.
Yes.
New EG. Another EG. So price break out again, pull back again, just entry. As long as it's still inside the H4 zone, doesn't matter.
H4.
Problem. Yes. Like that.
Okay.
Okay, understand? Okay.
Yeah, so when I go to M15, am I using the existing EG or waiting for a new EG to form?
If you go to the F15, should I use the existing F15 or new EG to form? If price already give you that time, existing EG already appear there, the structure already complete there, take it. No problem. You can take that one. But sometimes if the EG already started to going up like that, maybe that time you are a bit late, price started to go up here like that. So suppose you're gonna enter here, right? Entry at this area, but that point or that time you're a bit late, price already move up until here. So what should you do? Price already move. If I were you, I look to the left. If there's another EG sell, I'm going to make this one as a zone. I'll wait for the price to break my zone and created engulfing fail buy. Wait for the pullback, I'm going to enter here. Because this is the first entry. Price do like that, price break out here, I'm going to enter here. This will be my EF entry. Usually EF is the mean of reversal. Okay, will be your entry point, and it will definitely slowly going out like that. Okay, understand?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, good, great.
Yeah, I understand. I have another question.
Yes.
So if I wanted to trade from the daily time frame, for instance, So it means on the this is the way I see it. You can correct me if I'm wrong.
Okay.
It means I wait for a daily EG to form, correct? Then I go to H4 and wait for a new EG to form inside that H4, right?
This is daily. You mean this is daily? This is a daily zone like that?
Yes.
Price breakup like that?
Yeah, let's say I wanted to trade the higher time frame, like
Okay.
more of a swing setup. Okay. Daily. Do I wait for a new EG to form inside the daily time frame, or
Here you
use
mean?
an existing EG? Yes.
Okay. So basically, I explain again. Okay. Basically, if you want to have a low risk entry, you want to wait for the daily itself to create EG to AG, new EG here on the right side. On the right eyes and left eye, both I need to have EG if you want to trade for the low risk entry.
Big setup.
Yes, low risk entry means like if you want to have a low risk entry, the first time frame has to have EG to EG. Whenever it's completed EG to EG, wait for the pullback, only that you find an entry. But there's a pro and cons. The pro and cons is actually sometimes if you're gonna wait like this one, it's gonna take sometimes daily. You're gonna wait for 2 to 3 days, sometimes 4 days, just for the price to pull back. We are not patient. We're not going to wait until that time, unless you are a swinger. No problem, you can do that. So if let's say you have to, the cons is you have to wait for the it's gonna take some times. It's gonna long times. It's gonna take some times. That's the problem. And then not just that, sometimes you wait for 2 to 3 days just for the pullback, but there is no pullback and price started to straight away go up like that. So you're gonna waste your time a lot by just waiting for the pull. Yes. So that's why we take another alternative. Another alternative is actually we're gonna go for the high risk setup. Okay, high risk setup like how? Like I always mentioned before. For the high risk setup is actually oh shoot, no, my bad. For the high risk setup is actually whenever price started to pull back, my zone, started to close body, started to close candlestick body inside our daily zone. Not the EG, just a body candlestick. Whenever price started to close body inside the daily zone, I will definitely go to the H4. If I go to the H4, I have to find the same thing, EG to EG on H4, like that, on the right eye side. But there's a but, okay? Listen carefully. Sometimes, if you're using daily setup, daily is a big time frame. If you go to the H4, you want to find the EG on here, on the right side. Sometimes you can see that, there's another EG to the left, but inside the daily zone. So you can take this left eye one. You can take this left eye to this right eye like that. You still can take this one. This one will be a H4 setup, not a daily setup. But if that time you go to the H4, but then H4 give you engulf to engulf like this one, will be a daily setup. New engulfing created here. Will be a daily setup. So price gonna go really, really forward like that. Okay, compared to this left eyes and right eyes that I've dragged together. You understand what I mean or not? Or no?
Okay, so let me get you correctly. You are saying that if price comes back into the daily zone and use the existing H4 EG, it means it's an H4 setup.
Correct.
But if price comes back into the daily zone and creates a new EG, it is a daily setup.
Yes, correct. Exactly.
Okay, I got it now. Thank you. So if a new EG is created, that means there's that it becomes a high probability trade. A higher probability.
Yes, because it's gonna say that the zone is more valid because of why there's another confirmation of buying like that. Two zones are saying buy, definitely price gonna go up like that. But still have to look for the high time frame. Okay. Two confirmation is better than one like that. But usually but usually not all the confirmation price gonna give you all, but yeah, we have to find it. Okay, so back to the question.
Okay, thank you. I got it.
No problem. My pleasure. Okay, back to the question. How do you manage the margin percents when you lay inside the FFT zone? Usually not more than if I not more than 200. If you lay like this one, trust me, you're gonna MC really, really really, really fast one. Usually, I will do like this one if you are willing to lose account. Full margin account. Full margin account, yes. But then if you're confident with your setup, only that you can full margin. If you are using your main account, please don't do like that. Please do not full margin. No. That's not the proper thing to do if using your main account. Only full margin to the account that you are willing to lose. Okay? Okay or not? Okay, one okay. Only one okay? Or is everyone starting to feel sleepy?
Nope.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay. So yes.
Yeah.
Next question before I proceed to the. Well, I cannot touch everything. Okay. Any questions? Anyone? Any question? Ask me. Oh, I did not. So I see Verlando, Case, Jim, Gorillas. I don't know. All fools grade. I don't know who is that. But yeah. Okay. I seen a lot. Okay. So, any other questions? Ask me about anything? Why cannot touch the what we call the one the chat? Yeah, it's here. Can you repeat at daily Cikgu Mel? Maksudnya repeat at daily Cikgu Mel tu apa? Tak faham saya.
Setup tadi tu.
Oh, setup daily tadi ke? Yang saya yang saya explain kat orang putih tadi tu ke? Di sini. It's actually like this one. Okay, he asked me to repeat again at the daily setup. Okay, I try to screenshot lah. Okay, sini. Ataupun macam ni. Okay. Set cari sekejap saya cari. Okay, contoh I cari dulu, I tunjuk dulu. Okay. Ya Allah. Okay, this is example. This is first example for the daily. Wait I check H4 first. Cantik. Okay, I repeat again because there's one guy asked me about the daily setup. He don't understand. I repeat again. Okay, so now this is a daily setup. Okay, this is a daily setup. So if a daily setup, the question that I don't know who's asking me the question just now. I forgot the name. I don't realize the name. But if this is an engulfing cell, here's the breakup containing dominant and here's the pullback. So whenever price started to
The
pull back,
name is Alex.
Oh, Alex. Okay, yes, Alex. Thank you. So,
Yeah.
whenever price started to pull back again to our zone, okay, if you want for the price to create another easy buy like this one, you see, this is the first example you can see. Daily time frame, if you want daily itself, both time frame you want to create EG to EG, it will take some time. 4 days. 4 days just for the price to create EG buy. But you see, got any pullback or not? Got or not?
There is no pullback.
There's no pullback. So how you want to entry? No entry. So you wait for 4 days for nothing. Boom. Flew like crazy. Okay? So that's why tak payah. No need to do like this one. No need to wait for the daily to give you EG to EG. No need. So what you do is actually, whenever price started to go inside your zone, if actually price started to close body is better. But for EF love to give you like shadow like this one. So it's okay. If price pull back at this one, just touch your zone like that. Put one straight line. You can put one straight line or this is a daily setup. Okay, if you don't want to put one straight line, you go to the H4. Okay, go to the H4 whenever price started to come back to your zone. Find EG to EG. In this case of situation, if you look to the left, okay, if you look to the left, there's one EG and there's one EG. Okay, it's a bit outside of our engulfing zone, but it's okay. It still can be used, no problem. You have to, right? So I'm going to put one line like this one, just to indicate this EG cell. If it's too far, EG bar, sorry. If it's too far like this, oh, sorry again. Why? Okay, thank you. So go, perfect. So now your job is, if you want to take this left eye EG, okay, this one is, we call this one as left eye. Because why I call this one as left eye? This is the line that indicate left and right eyes. Remember? Left eye, right eyes. Remember or not? So this is left eye, this is right eyes. So if I take this EG, engulfing buy, break up, pull back, must come in the sideways pattern, boom, price pull back again to this zone. Okay. If I take this one, this engulfing to engulfing, you see, you're gonna what we call, you're gonna observe the setup using this engulfing, you know. So you see, price only move up until here. At that time, if you enter using this left eye and right eye like this one, price cannot go really far away. You see, if on your live session or on your live chart, you're gonna feel really confused. Why? You already buy here, you already buy, but then price only move up until here. Then you keep on wondering why price keep on coming back to my entry point. Why? And that point, definitely everything gonna hit BEs. So when everything hit BEs, after everything hit BEs, only that you realize that, oh, I don't need to take until the left eye because of why? When price started to create new EGs, it's actually, this is EG buy. If you pull at this one, okay, this is EG buy. This is actually a breakout and this is actually a pullback to this new EG and new structure. The one that you entry using the left eye just now started to start around this area. Oops, sorry, too big. Started to start around this area. It's because of the dominant roadblock. Understand what I mean? It's stuck here because of dominant roadblock. So you expected that time, you expected for the price that, maybe my setup is fair. Only go up until here. After everything hit BEs, then you after you cut loss or maybe you hit BEs, and after that, you see when price create another EG to EG, when price create another EG to EG buy, and here's a breakout, here's a pullback. Not just that, price create again another EG buy to EG buy. Two confirmations are saying buy. You see what happened? Flew. Just like that. So that's why I said, if you want to be more secure, more safe, make sure right eyes, C and P, give you EG to EG. Yes, you can take this one also, no problem. But like I've told you, this is only a H4 setup, not a daily setup. So cannot go further. Only can go up until here. Then reverse. We, at that time, whenever we want to trade, it's only us. I'm not going to sit beside you and say, hey, that's not a correct way. Hey, that's not a good way. Hey, you can entry already. No, I'm not going to be there at that time whenever you want to execute entry. It's only you. So that time you're gonna feel confused a lot. You're gonna feel, hey, am I doing it right or not? Is it the best one for me to entry or not? So it's you versus you. So you have to handle yourself. So this is the example. Understand? Faham ke yang tanya soalan tadi tu? Did you get me? Hilang dah. Yang mana tanya soalan tadi tu?
Yeah. It's clearer now.
Yeah, it's clearer now. Yang mana tadi ya? Yang student mana Indonesia tadi kan tanya soalan saya. Faham tak? Tak apa, nanti saya tengok jawab. Okay, so it's more clear, right? So that's the point. That's the thing. Be careful. Know what you want to do. Understood. Thank you very much. Yes. No problem. Okay. So, any other questions? Silakan bertanya anything you want to ask me before 11.
Mel, I have a question.
Yeah. Yes.
Mel?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I want to about the EG explanation you just gave now.
Mm-hmm.
How do we manage short trades? How do I manage it? Will I use a stop loss with a daily time frame level or with a 4 hours level? How do I cut loss when taking trades like that? Yeah.
Okay. If
it goes against me.
If actually, if you're using stop loss in that situation that I explained, if you're using stop loss, definitely you're gonna hit the stop loss first. So that's why I said use cut loss. Because of why? If you use cut loss, okay, let's say you entry based on this. You entry based on this engulfing, right? Correct or not? You entry based on this one. Okay, if you entry on H4, you see, if I go to H1 or F15, okay, you see, did you see anything break up your entry point or not? This zone. Got any breakout or not?
Yeah.
No breakout, right? No breakout. Only engulf again. Yeah. Still respect your zone. So if you're using, if you enter on H1 or you're entering on H4, some people will enter on H4 because they have a lot of margin and they know the more high time frame, the more solid it will be. But sometimes people will get confused and will get nervous because the zone is too big to entry because the cut loss will be big too. So that's why we precise more. Okay, if let's say you enter on H1, see, this is a H1. This is a H1 engulfing, and this is also a H1 engulfing. So you see, breakout or not? Or respect? Respect, right?
Yes.
Respect the zone.
Breakout.
Yes, it's perfectly respecting the zone. So why I'm gonna put, okay, let's say I know if you enter here, wait. If you enter here, okay, engulfing, price breakout, pullback, definitely you're gonna put the stop loss around this area, correct? Like
Yes.
really small stop like that. What happened is, can you imagine, sometimes price go, sometimes stuck to this EG cell, then price come back again with the momentum. Just sometimes maybe there's news, especially on gold. They love to give you spike and shadow. Boom. Take your stop loss. Take everything else, but that's not the purpose for it. That's not going down. They just want to raise something, sometimes to the left, just to take the price, and after that continue going up and close the body inside the zone. It's not even break out your zone. So it's a loss for you if you put a stop loss. Correct? If I'm using a cut loss method, I'm not going to be lost. Because of why? I'm still holding my position as long as the price did not break out my entry point. If it's did not break out my entry point, I'm gonna hold my position. I don't care how many times price gonna come and make a reaction toward my zone. I'm gonna hold my position. You see? Same like this kind of situation. Too many times. I don't care. I'm gonna hold it. Why? It's giving me the structure for buying. Not this one. Not the selling. Everything that indicate buying. Yes, correct. I want to buy. Price give me buy. Boom. Flew. Perfect. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Makes sense, right?
Yes.
That's what we did actually. So that's why we're not going to use stop loss. I never use stop loss. Only cut loss. Why? Cut loss will give you more better, clear answer. It will definitely give. All right. Is everything clear, babe?
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Perfect. Alhamdulillah. Is everything clear? It's good. Okay. So before we
boleh analyze gold tak?
apa tu?
Boleh analyze gold tak?
Boleh analyze. Oh yeah, I forgot about gold. Boleh, tak ada masalah.
Thank you.
Okay, someone asked me to analyze gold. Is that Nimala or someone else? I forgot the name of it. Nimala, not Nimala. Apa nama dia? I forgot already. Devi. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for gold, the last pairs of gold. I promised before to analyze, but forgot. Sorry. Okay, for gold, people know already that this is all-time high. Because of why we unable to look to the left. No more. Nothing. Zero. So where's to the left? This one. So what should you do? You cannot monitor to the left anymore. What should you do? So if you cannot monitor to the left for the all-time high, what you need to do, try to marking all nearest possible engulfing zone. But for gold, you see lah, the engulfing is too far away. It's not making any sense, right? Unless you want to try to check on weekly to see got any engulfing or not throughout this dominant area. So go to the weekly. Because what? Month is not clear. Okay. If you go to the weekly, it's going to be like this. Mel, the buying zone on monthly is too far away down here. But if I open on the weekly here, this is my current market price, CNP. So now if I open on the weekly, I try to marking all nearest possible engulfing zone that I saw. So here I have one engulfing cell. If I put at this one, there's engulfing cell. Don't worry and don't forget, we're gonna have another EG buy. In every engulfing cell that you're marking, you should have engulfing buy. You should have a partner like that. You see, compared to this one, it's too far away. So now on the gold weekly, you can see price started to play around inside this engulfing cell zone. This is not engulfing cell. Do not get cheat by this one. Okay, this is EG cell. This is a breakout. This is a pullback. Okay, for the SOP, it's already complete for sell. But why? Price only move up until here and started to push back again for the price to come up until here. The reason is simple. It's because of this EG buy. Why there's a lot of EG buy compared to EG sell, man? Simple. Uptrend. It's because of that. That's why. Okay. So now for the weekly, you can see that you have a 1, 2, 3 zone. So the most nearest zone that you can see is actually this 2 zone. So it's not clear yet. I go to the daily. Okay. Now if I go to the daily, you can see already that this is your current market price. Okay. The current market price is here. You can precise your zone. You can see that, oh, maybe price started to make reactions toward this engulfing field. Buy. But then I have to be careful. Why? Okay, wait. I try. Okay, this is engulfing cell. Engulfing cell, break up, pull back again to my zone, started to go down, just making rejection of this engulfing field, and started to go up again to this engulfing cell zone. However, okay, I try to zoom a bit. This is on a daily. So now you can see that price started to play around inside this engulfing field. By this is dominant. This is a pullback. Just one touch shadow. and started to push up the price up until here. Remember, I've mentioned before, do not chase the price. For the daily, there's no setup for us. It's like in the middle of nowhere. Price started to go back inside the not sell. This is not sell. This is the sell one. So that's why you need to put the box. But this is the buy zone. So what happened now is actually, what should I do next, man? Price not inside the engulfing fail buy, but price also not inside the engulfing sell zone, but price inside the engulfing buy zone on the daily. Should I buy? Can I buy? Yes, you can buy, but you have to be careful. Why? The sell zone is really, really near to you. But yeah, for gold now, it's really, 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 really volatile. So like I've mentioned before, 1,000 times, be careful. Okay, say. So I give you a scenario. Okay, Mel, if like that, I want to buy. I want to buy. Sure, no problem if you want to buy. Why? The SOP is there, but be careful. So this is on daily setup. If you want to put one straight line or this one also, no problem. Okay, then after that, go to the H4. Okay, see, if you go to the H4, you're getting a bit complicated. You're getting a bit confused, but there's always have a reason. Okay, I'm gonna show you why price already making a movement like this. So to the left, pull this one like that. Everything's aligned. Because of this engulfing fail, price started to go up until here. So now zoom in again. Do not get confused. It's okay. If you feel that the line is a bit disturbing, just delete it and focus here. See, I mentioned before, be careful. Do not chase the price because price already go inside the engulfing sell zone. And another engulfing sell zone that I believe price is going to come and make a reaction. Maybe this one. Maybe. We have no idea. Which zone price is going to come and make reactions. I'm going to delete this one. Okay. So I have this sell zone. I have this sell zone. Also, is this engulfing buy or not? Why the candle is like this? Okay. But it's okay. We put this one zone first. This zone two. This two zone. Okay. Not just that. This one, if you want to double confirm your structure is good or not, try to put the zone up only that you can realize. Like this one, engulfing buy already been fail like that. Too many times, too many fail. Okay. So now price already come from this engulfing buy zone and already go inside the sell zone. Mel, can I sell? Can I sell, Mel? Sure. If you want to sell, check confirmation got or not. Same concept. One straight line here. You want to put one straight line here also can, no problem. But usually we're going to put a straight line that the zone that are closing with the body entirely will be more better. But in this case of situation, even though the price close the body halfly, no problem. Should be fine. So this is on H4. Go to the H1. Sorry for my voice, it's a bit quaking. So do you guys see got any engulfing or not right now? Engulfing cell or not? No, right? So if there's no engulfing cell, what should we go next? We go to the F15, right? Same thing. If you go to the F15, this job is simple. Try to find engulf to engulf cell or EF. Mel, I want to enter sell here. Sell. No problem. You can sell. But be careful. If you sell here, we're going to be like this. If you sell here, you remember or not? I'm going to ask you, higher time frame. Say what? Monthly? Buy. Yes. Monthly, say buy.
Buy.
Weekly, say what?
Say buy.
Weekly, say buy. Daily, say what?
Buy.
Daily, say?
Buy.
Buy. But then H4, say sell. Answer me. What should I do? Should I sell? Should I buy? Should I buy or should I sell? It's biased on buy. It's biased on buy. Okay. So if you want to sell, sure, you can sell, but you have to be careful. If you sell around this area, okay, you have to monitor the zone that you sell. Remember, you sell based on FM15 EG sell only. H1 doesn't give you anything. Correct? H4 only one eyes engulfing. So high risk or not? Yes, it's a high risk. It's a high risk entry. Yes, you can sell this one. Just sell it. But be careful. Whenever price started to go down, this is the first roadblock that you have to be careful with it. This is the first one. This is the second one. The second roadblock. And this will be the third one. Man, why there's so many roadblocks? It's It's normal. You try to against the trend, so definitely gonna be like this. Okay, it's definitely gonna be like this. So this is will be your first roadblock, your second, your third, and your fourth roadblock on M15 itself. If price able to go through, okay, and maybe sometime come back again here and started to go down again because settle the first roadblock, the second roadblock maybe come back again here and settle, boom, boom, like that. Third, pull back again to the second and maybe do like that. Or might as well, price go crazy, it will do like this. Boom, like that. Might as well do like that. Or there's another opportunity, might as well price go down, maybe only up until the second zone and started to do like that, break up everything. So you guys know already the bias of where, of what. You can sell, no problem, you can sell. This is the target zone. If you want to sell, this is the story. If you want to buy, this is the story. If price started to break out already, you know already your size attack is miserable. It's not valid anymore. So if you want to buy, make sure H4 EGs can be breakthrough like this. Creating dominant buy, confirm, wait for the pullback, only that you entry. And it will confirm go up. He created engulfing, fail, buy. Like that. Okay, Devi, apa nama you tadi? Devi Devi. Understand? Faham?
Faham.
So in the analysis for Go. Okay, so the possibility you have to wait. That's our job. We have to wait. Just wait. That's our job. We have to wait because all traders need patience to wait for the setup to complete. If you cannot wait, please do not trade. Please do not trade. Okay. So this will be a H4. M15 will block based on the H4 setup. Most easily price can just break up this one, this go up until here. Maybe, who knows, right? The zone is only a zone, but price gonna respect or no, we have no idea. Because of why? Our job is only to look and observe what kind of confirmation price gonna give you. That's it. Clear?
Yes, perfect.
It's perfect. Perfect. Clear. So all the explanation that I give previously, is everything good? Is everything clear? Something that has been playing inside your mind?
Yeah, it's cleared up a lot, Mel. Thank you.
Clear a lot more. Thank you. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. So that's the point actually. That's the point. Because of why? When you Miss, please, what's your new IG handle? They don't know my new IG handle. My new IG is actually same name, CaramelitoFX, but there's a number 2 behind that. the end of it, there's number 2. I will send the link. I think I sent the links inside the group, but I will tell again. Okay. So yeah, that's about it. That's about engulfing. That's about the thing that we keep on doing every day, again and again and again. Repeat it. The same thing. Okay. High time frame bullish candle show more buying power is hardly to make retracement unless gold start to make sideways for a long time and give more sell engulf. Yes. Most important part is actually when price started to making a sideways, you have to bear in your mind that price gonna start to change. Price gonna start to reverse. It's either okay. Whenever price started to make a sideways, is in any zone, if price go up, go down, or go inside the zone, price started to making a sideways, you have to be careful. It's either price break up, pull back, continue going down, or price gonna do like this. That's it. That's our confirmation. This is the thing that we keep on doing. Okay? Understand?
Breakout, pullback, entry.
Breakout, pullback, entry. Same ritual, same concept. Breakout, pullback, entry, breakout, pullback, entry. What is this? What is this? I cannot see.
What's this, brother?
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I thought you said something. Yeah, this is me. This is me. Yes, it's right. A lot of people saying that they don't know this is my IG. They said this is a scammer, try to copy me or something like that. But it's actually no. I know. Got some of the student DM me said that Mel, there's someone they paid someone just to report for your account. They want to take you down. So that's why. It's actually a bit sad at first because the account I've been using the account for quite some time, but just like that, I cannot retrieve back my account. At first, I feel so sad, but yeah, I don't care anymore. I mean, it's like I just want to do my own, and I just want to settle my student. I hope you guys can do the best and just try to apply this technique to your chart. So it will be more better. You have better trading techniques, and you can trade more better like that. So you can change your life to be more better person. That's the point, actually. You just follow me. Yeah. Thank you. Please mention your name. If not, I don't know who's that, and I will definitely follow you back. Okay? Is everything clear, guys? Refreshment?
Yes, thank you, Mo.
Thank you. No problem, my pleasure. So I hope this helped you guys a lot. So if anything you have any question, you feel free to ask me, okay? Clear, alhamdulillah. Thank you. So just ask me anything, and I hope I help you guys a bit to clear a bit more something that has been stuck with you guys for sometimes I think for a while.
Yep.
Clear all the confusion now. Just need this. Yes. Thank you. Just prove it to me that you guys can do this. That's it. That's the thing that I really, really want. I don't want you guys money. I don't want anything else. I don't want anything. I just need your guys feedback to me that you can do this one. You can earn money. You can start to make a good progress with your trading. I want that. That's it. Dekat luar pakai tengok wireless pakai teknik engulfing. Yes, it's engulfing better. It's actually. I didn't say that other technique is not better, but for me, engulfing is more clear and more simple for you guys to follow. Okay, so for the refreshment one, I will send the recording to the groups. But then but we're gonna take some time because it's gonna convert first. After it convert, I'm gonna send it to the groups. So yeah, you can repeat to see it again. And yep, if you guys have anything to ask, just feel free to ask me. Okay. Okay, guys, is everything clear? Okay.
Brilliant. Thank you, Mo.
Thank you. Take care,
All right,
guys.
thank you.
Thank you.
care.
Take care.
Yeah.
Stay safe. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
All right. See ya. Oh, someone asked me, Mel, you have method to increase accuracy of M15 and 3? Nope, just engulfing, breakout, pullback, entry. That's it. I usually do that one. Just M15. Actually, you can choose to enter on engulfing fail. Sure, no problem. But sometimes engulfing fail, sometimes press don't want to give you EF. It will give you engulf to engulf. But yeah, just use EF if you want to find entry on EF. Both also can EF and engulf to engulf. Okay? Okay, guys, take care. See ya. Anything, just ask me. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Assalamualaikum. Thank you. Most welcome. Yay, bye-bye. Why I cannot press anything? Hey guys. Thank you. Most welcome. Bye-bye.